Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to get viral Bible story topics that can go viral on your channel if you are just starting or you already have a channel on this. If you haven't watched my video where I talked about how to create this kind of videos and how to create your thumbnail, then I'll link down the those videos in the comment section of this video, also in the description of this video. Now let's get started. So to get a viral video topic on this particular Bible verse niche, you need to search on YouTube. You look for your competitor's channel. So for this particular one, I've gone to this particular channel. The name of this channel is called Daniel Okpara. So what this person basically does is he creates content on this on Bible niche. So from here you just go to YouTube, look for a particular channel on that particular niche that you are on, which is the Bible verse niche. It's not necessary it has to be this particular channel, so you can look for any other channel and do the same thing. So when you get to channel, simply go to videos, then you go to popular videos. You can see I'm on popular videos here. So from these popular videos, we have this particular video here. This video is about 100 prayers to plead the blood of Jesus against witchcraft and all that. So you can see this video in 10 months got 1 million views, is having 81 views per hour. So you will now understand. If you see this other video again, the second popular video on this channel, spiritual warfare Bible verses demons don't want you to know, in 10 months this video is having 415k views. So now you understand that people are going through challenges, and people are going through challenges, and most Africans they think most of their challenges are from spiritual attacks and all that. So when you create this kind of content, you definitely have viewers that will watch your video. So you can see it's about battling spiritual attacks. It's about coming against attacks and all that. So this particular video now is about spiritual warfare. Then this other one, reclaim your family. So like I said, reclaim your family, 100 prayers pleading the blood of Jesus, is same type of this video. So this video is getting, in 9 months is having 390k views. Then if you come over here, we have another video here, declare these 100 names of God, you will see great miracles in your life. So you can see people want magic and all that. So this particular video is having 290k views in 8 months. So this is how you can find good story ideas that will go viral, that will definitely get views. So now when you get this story idea, how do you come up with your script and how do you create your content? First, let me explain how to come up with your script and how to create your content. So when you get this story idea, you're going to copy the story title, then you go to ChatGPT and get your story script. If you want me to do that video, a step-by-step video on that, how to get your story script from a story title like this, let me know in the comment section and I will do a video on that. If I get 100 comments, I'm going to do a video on that. So do not hesitate to like this video, because I put a lot of effort to come up with research and do a video like this for you. All you can do to appreciate that is to like the video and drop a comment under the video. If you come down, you can see other videos here, the same style of video, so you can just get that and create your own video. Now let's go over to YouTube again and let's see if we'll see another channel that we can copy this from. So the Lord shall fight for you and that. So let's just go to this channel and let's see. So if you come to this channel, this person has only created 46 video and is on 444k subscribers. So you can see their views on this channel. So let's go over to video and let's click on popular. Let's see the most popular videos on this channel. So from here we have, this is the popular video. This video is about Psalm 91 for sleep, house Bible verses, peaceful scriptures, powerful psalm for sleep. So this video in 5 years got 6.1 million views. So you can see the views that these kind of videos are getting. Like I said, where in my video where I talked about how to create your thumbnail for this particular niche, I explained to you that when you're creating your thumbnail, you are going to use bold text. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link down the video in the description of this video or in the comment section of this video, so that you can take your time to watch that video after watching this particular video. That is the same thing this particular channel is doing. You can see there's a bold text because most people that are watching this style of video are adults, and they don't want to stress their eye. Okay, so these are the videos. So this is how you can get this story topic for yourself, and you create this same kind of story on this same topic. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.